Here's how to get that cut edge on that decorative card on the bottom edge on the right-hand side.
This is Craft Lady! What did you do?
Insert the card onto your canvas, okay? I'm gonna have one over on the side that you can look at, but here what we're gonna do is take the card and move it to the side, and then we move it out of the way. Now let's go ahead and choose shapes, and what we want to do from shapes is choose a square. That's going to be the left hand side of your card. Unlock that square and we're going to resize it. The size is going to be so that it can be only the left hand side of this card, which is going to be the back end. So here it's going to be 5.5 high, but only 4.25 wide. So we're going to change it to 4.25 for the width, 4.25 for the width, and 5.5 for the height. Okay, we're ready to go right there. We're gonna do the exact same thing for the card that we just added to our canvas, okay? The one with the starry edge, lace edge. Go ahead and select it, and again, unlock those proportions. Change the width to 4.25 inches and the height to 5.5 inches, I'm sorry. Okay, now we're gonna line these two up. Go ahead and lock that back, just so you don't accidentally mess it up. We're gonna line these two up as closely as you can without leaving a gap, and then select both of them. Once you go ahead and align it. You want to align it to the top so that they're even. They're both selected still, and go ahead and weld them. That's right, we're going to weld them, and now that's one piece. Okay, we're going to unlock it though because we want to make sure that we maintain our width of 8.5 and our height should have stayed the same at 5.5, so we're good to go. The last thing we need to do is to add our score line. Okay, the way we're going to do this is go back to shapes, and that line at the top, go ahead and grab that, and then we need to size that. Let me move this out of the way. We need to size our score line. So select your score line, and then for the height, go ahead and change it to 5.5. Okay, that's the height of your card. Add that to the top of your card. It doesn't matter where it is because you're going to select both of them. You're going to go to align and center horizontally. Okay, that's good to go. That way it's right in the middle. And then you're going to go ahead and align it to the top so that it's right at the top. With both of them selected, go ahead and select attach. Guess what? Your card is ready, and now you'll cut it and it'll look like these here.